Hello everyone, so today we are going to be unboxing the Electric Volt Xbox controller. So this is it right here. This is the side of the box. And this is the back of the box. Hybrid D-pad, refined yet familiar input. Share button, capture and share content seamlessly. Xbox wireless and Bluetooth. Easily pair and switch devices. And textured grips. So this is about right here. So you can use this with your phone, with Bluetooth, Xbox Series XS, Xbox One, Windows 10, Android, and iOS. So not really much going on the cover, so let's go ahead and open it up. So this is the controller right here. It's really cool. I like how bright it is. Batteries. Take a good look at this. Yeah, I really do like this. It's like a highlighter. Wow, this is really bright. Let's see what else you get in the box. This is just the batteries you put in it. AA. So wow, this is a really bright controller. It's like a highlighter. The batteries would go. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. And bye everyone.